teacher, why is the tab? Okay. What we're going to study today, yeah, are all about exponent rules. What is exponent again? Exponent, pewa. Yo, kamrang. Okay. But again, we're going to study the rules in exponents. There are 7 rules of exponent, but we're going to study, I think, only 3 today. Not sure. The first rule, make sure you copy, okay? Wait. Exponent rule number 1 is multiplying exponential number. Again, jot cup. Okay, again, exponent rule is about multiplying exponential number. What is multiply? Multiply แปลว่าอะไรครับ? What does it mean? คูณ. How about exponential number? Like yung hamrang, right? So we're gonna multiply exponential number. And there is actually a rule in multiplying exponential number. Sige. Exponent rule number 1. Okay, exponent rule number 1. I mean, I got it. It's here. This one, multiplication of exponential number. It's the same thing. My God. Now, in my set, ano nga, same. Now, in multiplying exponential number, if they have the same base, what you need to do is to copy the base, and then you're just gonna add the exponents. What does it mean? Again, same base. Let's have this one. We have a to the power of m times a to the power of n. What is the base of a to the power of m? Base. A. How about this one? What is the base? A. Now, if they have the same base, you're just going to copy it and add the exponent. Again, the exponent is m, right? And the exponent here is n. So if you add it, you're going to have m plus n. So this is what the rule of multiplying exponential number is. A to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. You don't need to copy this, okay? Just copy the rule. Only this. Yeah, only this. So you'll be able to remember the rule. Okay. Exponent rule number 1 is this. Let's have some example. Everyone, please read this. X. How am I? X to the power times. What is the base? How about this one? What is the base? Same, eh? Same. So you're just going to copy it. Now, what is the exponent here? And this one? So, again, if they have the same base and you're multiplying it, you're just going to copy the base and then you're going to add the exponent. What will be the answer? What's the answer? X to the power of 6. Again, if multiplication, you're gonna add the exponent. Add pembuwak. Let's have one more example. Everyone, 2 times 2 to the power of 2. What do you think is the answer? What is the answer? What 3? Very good. That's 2 to the power of 3. Why? Again, 2. I need 2. 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 1, right? Again, 2 is the same as 2 to the power of 1. Now, again, in multiplying, the base is 2. The base here is 2. So you're just going to copy the base 2. And what are you going to do with the exponent? You're going to add. So you're going to have 2 to the power of 1 plus 2. That would be 2 to the power of 3. Easy, right? Actually, that's equal to 8. But then we can just answer 2 to the power of 3, or you can just answer 8. Next. Um, Mister, stand up. Yes. Can you please read number 1? Ankap. Dangdangkap. H. What's the answer? H to the power of 3 times H to the power of 7. H to the power of 10. Thank you. Next. Mm, dang, dang, dang. What's the answer? 3 to the power of 2 times 3. Oh, what's the answer? 3 to the power of 3. Again, if this is 3, that's equal to 3 to the power of 1. Siya may hap. And since they have the same base, you're going to copy it. So you're going to have 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Actually, 3 to the power of 3 is 27. But then you can just answer 3 to the power of 3. Do you understand? Okay, how about this one? Oh. Oh, we have 2 to the power of 2p to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 4 times 4 to the power times 4p. What do you think is the answer? In this case, again, we're dealing with only exponential number, right? And in this case, we only have this as exponential number, this, and this. Now, what are we going to do with 2, 3, and 4? Mm. Again, we're in multiplying exponential number, we have a rule. But in this case, we have the given constants, the number 2, the number 3, and the number 4. So, since this is multiplication, just kungon, you can just multiply it. What is 2 times 3 times 4? That's 24. Now, what is p to the power of 2 times p to the power of 4 times p? That is p to the power of, again, same base, right? P, and p. You're just going to copy the given base p. And again, since they have the same base, you're just going to add the exponent. 2 plus 4 plus 1. Again, if this is p, that's power 1. What's the answer? 24p to the power of 7. And that would be your answer. Easy, siya may hap. Understand? One more. You finished copying, right? No need. Up to you. Everyone, please read this. Everyone. What do you think is the answer? Negative 5a to the power of 3 times negative a. What's the answer? Anyone? Who wants to try? Mm. Yes? Manjay ka? What is it? Anyone? Who wants to try? Oh yeah. Meow. Oh, what's the answer? Very good. Why? Again, we have a to the power of 3 and a, right? So what are we going to do with negative 5 and negative? Remember, negative a is the same as negative 1a ใช่ไหมครับลบ a เท่ากับลบ 1a ใช่ไหมครับ Mm. So what are you going to do? You just multiply. What is negative 5 times negative 1? Negative 5 times negative 1. 5. ลบคูณลบเป็นบวกใช่ไหมครับ So negative 5 times negative 1 is equal to 5. What's a to the power of 3 times a? That's a to the power of 3 plus 1. So the answer would be 5a to the power of 4. Okay? เข้าใจจริงจริงจริง Okay, everyone, copy and answer this. Why? Copy and answer. 5 minutes. You don't have a choice. Anati ครับเข้าใจ Finish. Who are not finished? Sayang. How many minutes? Okay, 3 minutes. Good night. Again, everyone. Hey, Pep. I told you before, right? The rule is you're gonna copy the base H, you copy H. 3, you copy 3. The rule is you're just gonna add the exponents. Siya may hap. Diba? Yeah, ma. Easy. Ah, ang sipsong tambay na. Slash bell. V. Dale. Okay. Finish, right? Sorry. Finish? Set. Everyone's finished? Okay, exchange notebooks. Salap sa mood cup. You don't understand? Okay. Where's your answer? Reo. Okay, everyone. Uh, oh, salap Leo. Uh, salap. Hey, salap Leo. Tell him. Salap ไม่ใช่อันนี้ไงอืม Okay, let's check this. Everyone, please read. Okay, 7 times 7 to the power of 6 is the same as, again, the base is 7. So you're going to copy the base 7. This is power 1, right? So we're going to have 1 plus 6. The answer, 7 to the power of 7. Next, number 2. Number 2. B. Okay, in this case, what is the base? The base is B, right? We're going to have B to the power of 5 plus 3. And the answer is B to the power of 8. Now, in this case, negative x times 2x to the power of 2 times 4x to the power of 3 times negative x to the power of 5. Up. อันนี้ลบ1ใช่ไหมครับอันนี้ negative 1. This is also negative 1. Now let's multiply. Negative 1 times 2. ลบ1คูณ2ครับ Negative 1 times 2. Negative 2. Negative 2 times 4. Negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 1. 8. So you're going to have 8 and then x times x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 5 is the same as x to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. And what is the answer? 8x to the power of 11. Okay? Who got it right? Who? Okay, next. Next, number 4. Everyone? 6 to the power of 3 times 6 to the power of 2 times 6 to the power of 6. What's the answer? Okay, very good. That is 6 to the power of 11. The base is 6. You're just going to copy the base 6, and then you're going to add the exponents. And 3 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 11, right? So we have 6 to the power of 11. Next, number 5. 7p times 2p to the power of 2 times 5p to the power of 5. What is 7 times 2? 14 times 5? 70. And then p times p to the power of 2 times p to the power of 5. Again, if you don't see any power, that's power 1. That's why we have 1 plus 2 plus 5. And so the answer is 70p to the power of 8. Who got 5? Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Up. Wait. I will get the score later, okay? Because we have one more topic. Make sure you write the score there. Kajay. Okay, next. Again, that's exponent rule number 1. Let's proceed with the exponent rule number 2. Uh, exponent rule number 2 is dividing exponential number. Divide แปลว่าอะไรครับ Han. Now, earlier, we multiply. This time, we're going to divide. Now, in dividing exponential number, the rule is that if they have the same base, you're going to subtract the exponent. Subtract แปลว่าอะไรครับ Subtract แปลว่า Subtract. Love. Okay. Okay. Division of number. Again. Finish. Again, I just want you to write the rule. This one. Okay, again. Okay, let's have this. Now, in dividing exponential number, the rule is that if they have the same base, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m is the same as a to the power of m minus n. Earlier, in multiplication, we add. Check me up. But this time, since this is division, you're going to subtract the exponent. Okay? Example. 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2. What do you think is the answer? The rule is you're going to subtract. So you're going to have 3 to the power of 6 minus 2. Again, this is division. You're going to copy the base 3. And then what you need to do with the exponent is you subtract. And what is 6 minus 2? 4. And the answer would be 3 to the power of 4. Okay? Understand? How about this one? 24m to the power of 5 divided by 3m to the power of 2. It's the same as the multiplication rule. Okay? We have m to the power of 5 and m to the power of 2. But what are we going to do with 24 and 3? You're gonna divide. What is 24 divided 3? 8. And m to the power of 5 divided by m to the power of 2, that's m to the power of 5 minus 2. And the answer is 8m to the power of 3. Easy. You understand? Again. Like, okay. Now, when it comes to the given coefficient of the exponential number, you're just gonna divide it, okay? Next. Okay. Now, remember, this is division, right? And in division, เขียนเศษส่วนได้ ใช่ไหมครับ if we're dealing with division. So 8 to the power of m divided by 8 to the power of m is the same as 8 to the power of m over 8 to the power of n. Again, this exponential number can be written into division form. And the rule is the same. That's m minus n. M minus same, okay? Tawagan kap. Let's have some example. Let's say we have this. P to the power of 8 over P to the power of 4. What's the answer? P to the power of, again, you're gonna subtract the exponent. Okay? 8 to the power of m over 8 to the power of m. Since they have the same base, you're just going to copy the base and you're going to subtract the given exponent. So we're going to have here m minus n. So that's why we have p to the power of 8 minus 4. And the answer is p to the power of 4. Next. 10y to the power of 3 over 5y to the power of negative 2. ทำอะไรครับ? What's the answer? Wow. Wow. Anyone who can give me the answer? Ach. Very good. The answer is 2y to the power of 5. Tama. 10 over 5. 10 divide 5. 10 เป็นอะไรครับ? Ani, y to the power of 3 divide y to the power of negative 2. Remember, the case is m minus n. ใช่ไหมครับ? What is your m? 3 minus your n, negative 2. อันนี้ลบเป็นอะไรครับ? Right? And so the answer is 2y to the power of 5. Okay? This is what the exponential rule is all about. Understand? Okay. Now that you understand, earlier we have for multiplication, right? 5. There's another activity. 5 points. Finish it. I need 5 minutes. Hey, do it. Sama tiga. Sama tiga. Yes. Tama eh. Ay, finish? Okay. 2 minutes. 2 นาทีครับง่ายๆใช่ป่ะ It's easy. Finish. Okay. Sound check. เข้าใจได้ไหม You? Hello? Okay, everyone. Okay, time's up. Everyone's finished. Exchange notebooks. Salap sa mood cup. Okay, let's answer this. So we have 7 to the power of 12 divided by 7 to the power of 6. What's the answer? 7 to the power of 12 minus 6, which is equal to 7 to the power of 6. Next, 6 to the power of 11 divided by, over 6 to the power of 7. That's 6 to the power of 11 minus 7, which is equal to 6 to the power of 4. Next, negative 48q to the power of 7 divided by 24q to the power of 4. What is negative 48 divided by 24? Negative 2. Lop han buwak penalay kap. Lop. That's negative 2. And q to the power of 7 divided q to the power of 4 is equal to negative 2q to the power of 3. Next, number 4. F to the power of 10 divided by f to the power of 3. What's the answer? That's that's f to the power of 7. And number 5, 12h to the power of 5 over 2h to the power of 3. What's 12 over 2? That is 6. H to the power of 5 divided by h to the power of 3. Oh, I need 3. Check me up. Pep, 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 pep. Sorry, my bad. How am I? Okay, you didn't see that happening. That would be 6h to the power of 5 minus 3, which is equal to 6h to the power of 2. Okay, everyone, I'll get the score. The total is 10. Tamay 10. Ah, ใช่รวมครับอันนี้หาคะแนนใช่ไหมครับอันนี้ห้าแล้วก็ this one อันนี้ไงรวมโอเค I'll get the score. I'm gonna stop sharing. I'll get the score. 1/6, right? Shh. มงคล score. มงคล score. Aiden. ภูมิ Kit. At 8. 10. Sorry, my bad. Kua. 8. Ongsa. Not. 1. Army. Huh? Euro. Nurse. Kun. Huh? 7. Poon. Fluk. Yok. Ninja. We. Paifa. Sorry, go home. 9. Paifa. Mean. 9. Grace. Bibi. Pang. Audi. Milk. Dina. Pakbung. Tawan. Fuji. Fern. Fern. Pin. Proud. Name. Noi. 10. August. Lukwa. Tengmo. Kongkwan. And Im. You understand? Okay, we only studied exponent rule 1 and 2. Next week we're gonna study exponent rule number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Stand up. Goodbye. Bye everyone.